Are you struggling to change the navigation bar text color in your UIActivityViewController? You're not alone. This is a common issue that many developers face. Today, we're going to tackle this problem together. I totally get it. It can be really frustrating when you set your navigation bar colors in the app delegate, but they don't apply where you need them. You're definitely not the only one who has run into this issue. Here's the specific situation we're looking at. One user asked how to change the navigation bar text color in their UIActivityViewController after tapping the Share Messages icon. They set their navigation bar text colors to white in the app delegate, but they want the UIActivityViewController to have black title text and a blue cancel button. Sound familiar? Let's dive into the solution. So what's happening here? The UIActivityViewController inherits the appearance settings from the app delegate, which is why you're seeing the white text. We need to override these settings specifically for the UIActivityViewController. And stick around. I have a great tip at the end that will help you manage your UI elements more effectively. To change the navigation bar text color in the UIActivityViewController, the user should first create a custom subclass of UIActivityViewController. This allows for more control over the appearance. Next, in the custom subclass, the user should override the ViewDidAppear method. This is where they can set the navigation bar's tint color to black and the bar button item color to blue. After setting up the custom subclass, the user should instantiate this subclass instead of the standard UIActivityViewController when presenting the share sheet. Finally, the user can present the custom ActivityViewController. This should now display the navigation bar with the desired text colors. Fun fact, did you know that the first iPhone was released in 2007? It's amazing how far we've come in mobile development since then. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests changing the cancel button color in the share via message screen. They recommend using the UI button appearance method specifically for UI navigation bar instances. That's all for that response. Let's see what someone else had to say. An alternative solution provided by another user involves adjusting the appearance of buttons specifically for the UIActivityViewController. They suggest setting the tint color for buttons and bar items to system blue when contained in a navigation bar. After the activity is completed, the colors revert to white. Now, let's dive into a different answer from another user. An alternative solution suggests customizing the navigation bar just before the share action is triggered. You should set the desired colors in the ViewWillAppear method and revert them back after the share action is completed. That's it for that response. Let's explore another one. An alternative solution from another user suggests modifying the appearance of the navigation bar directly. They recommend using the UI navigation bar appearance proxy to set the tint color to black and customize the title text attributes. Here's a pro tip. Always remember to check the view hierarchy when dealing with UI elements. It can save you a lot of headaches down the line. And there you have it. With these adjustments, your UIActivityViewController should now display the navigation bar text in black and the cancel button in blue. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.